Hello, I have an amazing, great news for you, for anyone who looking for ready to move apartments, offices and retails. Direct on Sheikh Zayed Road, just 8 steps from the metro station. Let me show you the 1-bedroom apartment, which is around 900 square feet. This is the living area. Full sea views, uninterrupted sea view, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, Media City, open kitchen. So this is the guest bath. This is the open kitchen. This is for the machine. This is the bedroom, and this is the attached bathroom. The wardrobes. This is the attached. But this is 1-bedroom apartment, around 900 square feet, just steps away from the metro, and you will have this view from your bed. And let me show you the pool. So this is the pool area. This is the gym. This is the gym you have, and this is the kids play area. And this is the second gym. And another set of amenities are here. Tennis court and paddle court are here. So contact me now for more details.